Updating asset details in Roanex. From your dashboard, click on Assets on the left side menu. Here you will see all your assets. Click on the asset you want to see. This brings you to the Asset Details page. There is a video for every specific area of this page, which you can find in the Help section of this page. If you need to make any changes to the asset details like the VIN, make and model, driver, or other details, you can do it here in this section. You will see different options depending on the type of asset you are viewing between trucks and trailers. If you make changes, just hit Submit. That's how you update specific asset details in Roanex. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.